Happy Halloween, everyone! Today we are going to be doing one of our Halloween crafts, which is a 3D haunted house. It's for ages 6+. Let's get started. You should receive this box in the mail. Inside will be a small plastic bag with all of the materials you need and an instructions manual. This is a little overview of everything that you will find inside of the bag. Some paint, all the wooden pieces, the foam pieces to decorate, and the stickers for your house. The first steps are to paint all of the wooden pieces for the house. The instructions manual tells you what colors go on what pieces. Next, you will start to assemble the house. This is me assembling the base. The instructions manual tells you which stickers to put on which pieces. Next, you will take these orange strips and cut them with some scissors that you have at home and place them onto the sticky part of the stickers to make the windows orange. I also recommend, if you want your house to be more secure, you can use a hot glue gun to secure the wooden pieces together. Be cautious when removing the foam around the pieces, as they could easily rip. Finish assembling all of your decorations and place them into the house whichever way you would like. This is how my haunted house turned out. I hope you enjoyed this craft and have a wonderful, happy Halloween. See you in the next video.